What are you guys doing? So community is obviously a big piece of it, right? People end up staying for the community. It's a nice retention mechanism. What else are you guys doing that's been working well? Because I just want people to get a sense of, like, again, Web3 growth marketing.
When you're growing really quickly, 100,000 people are in the community that weren't here last week, right? So they also you can't, right? Like, you need to recycle and improve and refine that core messaging. You know, I think that's really been our bread and butter. And then also making sure that the community understands that, you know, we care about them, that we're talking to them, that they have input. We just did this thing with season 20 so we, from time to time, we'll balance the cards, the stats of the cards in the game. But it's really important for the community to understand, right, that they're part of this co-creation process. So for season 20, I actually just, you know, made a copy of the Google sheet that we use for the in-game balancing. And I said, hey, like, if you have ideas, right, we're going to look at them, you know, copy our sheet, post your reasoning, and we'll take a look. And I think that actually, because of that, the balancing for this upcoming season is going to be better and more aligned with the community than any balancing patch that's ever happened, right? So making sure that the community understands how they can contribute to the direct success, right? They want to help. They feel like they're missionaries, builders, and right, they're part of this army that wants to help, but sometimes, right, they might not know exactly what to do. So if you can kind of efficiently scale coordination to this army of believers, then, right, you're starting to cook with oil. One of the people that I talked to, he is one of the organizers of Tiananmen Square. So, right, like I talk to him all the time about, he's like, okay, like, that's cute, like, you're talking to 2 million people. How are you preparing to talk to 500 million people like I had to do? So, right, like, I think also, right, it's like, yeah, like, there are really, really, really passionate and interesting people that want to help with Axie. They all have their unique set of skills and attributes, kind of like a video game character, right? Everyone has different skill set and stat distribution. And a lot of them want to help, right? So it's like, how do you scale getting them to be doing what's best for the community and the network? And you know, like, I think we've done a decent job at that, but I think there's still a lot to be done there.
Got it.